Welcome friends, this is Hill Starr Video YouTube channel. Today we are going to present a cookbit item on how to make Channa Masala side dish. Thank you. First of all, soak 1 cup of chana or chickpeas overnight and then rinse soaked chana and pour out excess water. And now put the soaked chana in 2 cups of water in a gas or electrical cooker. Pressure cook for 2 whistles or 12 minutes. Let it cool. Next comes gravy preparation. Take a frying pan. Add 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil. Add 1 large onion finely chopped. Saute to golden brown. Then add 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste. Saute for a minute or till raw smell goes away. Next, add 1 large finely chopped tomato or 2 medium-sized tomatoes. Cook till slightly mushy. And now turn the stove to medium-low flame. Then add 1 spoon chilli powder, 1½ spoon coriander powder, 1/4 spoon of turmeric powder, 1/4 spoon of Garam Masala and salt to taste. Saute for a minute. Do not burn the masala. Take care. Now turn the stove to low flame and add 3/4 cup of cooked chana. 1 cup of water used to cook chana. Add 1/4 cooked chana mashed. And now turn the stove to medium heat and let the gravy thicken for 5 minutes or till you get desired thickness. Friends, now we have come to the final stage of the cooking of Channa Masala gravy. Now sprinkle coriander leaves for garnish purpose and serve the Channa Masala hot with chapati, roti, rice and bread. Friends, we have to now going to the end. Kindly prepare well, eat well. Thank you very much.